What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today I've got two clips. This is the clip for my vest. My vest has 6 bullets here, but they're not there. There's 6 Nerf darts and 6 Nerf darts here. And 6 of the Nerf darts are in here in this clip that we're going to be feeding into this big deck, which has that clip. Not that clip, not midair. This. It's beauty. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that cut. Yeah, we'll scoot him this way. And then I'm gonna put this thing in here. Like, oh, it fits. Okay, he's gotta get that in there. But this thing, it's so hard to get in stuff. Look how tiny it is in there. Alright. Now, should I shoot it or should I not? Because I just got this in here. Okay, I'm shooting it. Let's come to the door. Yep. We're coming to the door. To the door. To the door. To the door. Okay, scoot back. To the door. Okay. Put you guys straight to the door. Yep. Out. To the door. To the door. To the door. Time to shoot. Let's try that again. I'm gonna pull back. That was every single dart that I had just wasted on nothing. This is a Fortnite blaster. Really cool Fortnite blaster. Cranking some 90s. I don't play Fortnite. Okay, moving on. This way. Go this way, Charlie. Yep, come on, tripod. Follow me. No, tripod. Come on. Tripod, I said follow me. I said not follow me there. I said follow me. Okay, this works really well. Do buy the set and do not buy anything else because it was $20. Not very expensive. Now I'm taking you to some more magazine-fed dart guns. Come back some. Okay. Now I guess I take this whole clip thingy out. Boom. It also comes in this pack right here with the Nerf darts in this set. So you've got extra Nerf darts whenever you need them. In case you want to have 6 Nerf darts, which you probably won't. I'm not using this bracelet stuff because that took about an hour to load every single bullet into the bracelet. And if you can see, they have marks on them from putting, I don't think you guys can see that, but on my side, look really close, you can see marks around it. See that? Yeah, you guys can see that. You can see little marks around the sides. It's got that on every single one of them I shot. Because it was in this thing, it was in these pouches for more than so long. And it takes so long to load them in the magazine. That's one problem. But the next problem, that's the only problem it has, is that it takes long to put in the magazine. And it also takes long to reload. So that's one problem. That's 2 problems. The rest of this vest is good. It also gives you protection. So, yeah, this thing. Thing in there. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one in a different hole, like that one. Yeah, put it in. There we go. Can I have a round of applause? No? Okay. Yeah, I feel like for some reason this hole is just broken. Like, this dart won't. Yes! I got 3 more to go. Put that in there. Yes. Get that in there. Oh, boy, yeah. Finally, I can get this thing for now. Fortnite. Cranking some 90s. Cranking some 90s. Oh, this last one's gonna be so freaking hard. Ah! Oh, it's just like the second one. Lemon juice and cheese. Oh, it's only been 6 minutes. What the? That can be good. Okay. I'm going to put this clip back in here so I don't have to deal with anything very sus again. Get out in there. Good job. Okay. Well, we're going to use this. You can look at the video of that. Well, it's there. Of course. And why I will go do what I need to do for our next clip thingy, mabobber, jobber, wachang, wachobber. Okay, I forgot what we need. Nothing. That's what I went over there for. Nothing. Okay. So, next gun I don't think will work, but let's try it out. Woo! Okay. I just got a clip. I don't think it'll work. Or a magazine, whatever you want to call it. Fancy name is magazine. Magazines, baby. Magazines. That's its magazine. It's 8-round magazine. It's Busby toy. Not even a Nerf. Don't buy China toys. Okay. Hey, get off of my bed. You can't have this bed. What the flippin' gun? The gun flippin' fell down. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Flippin' macaroni and cheese. Put this. Where do I put this? I forgot. Where's it? Don't ask me to put this clip into this gun, because I've tried it and it does not work. And it will never work. Because that clip size, well actually, this mag right here can feed into any gun that Nerf has. That's why you ask Santa Claus for things. He'll get you the best of the best. It's a little secret, don't tell anybody. Except for you. Don't tell it. I'm watching you. Okay. Try not to see if there's no any secrets. Hey! Tell somebody? I'm on. One bullet or all 6? One. Going into the gun. Sorry. Magazine. Nerf gun! Oh! The pop! I like that pop. Yo, it's already. What? Oh. Fooey. Fooey, 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 fooey. Does it fit at the top? What is going on in this thing? What is happening? there's a bullet in there. I load it in here. It's cocked. And I push back. Jeez. What a kick. Oh my. Oh, that pulled off a big one kick. That was a kick. And now, why does this thing always want to fall down? Alright, grab that. Let's keep shading over everywhere. I don't know why it does that. Shaded over everywhere. Well, I mean, everybody's... No, not technically everybody who's watched my videos seen the gun wall. But do they want to see the gun wall? If they subscribe, will I let them see the gun wall? Yes, I actually let them. I'll probably let them come touch the gun wall. If somebody subscribes, you better subscribe so I can let you come touch the gun wall. Okay, now I'm putting. Why does it keep shading over everywhere? It just keeps shading over. And I forgot to take it out. Why every time I come over here, it stops shading over? Stop it! You caught on to my Velcro freaking Nerf gun. You're not a Nerf gun, you're Busby Toys. Busby Toys. How nasty is that? Imagine having Busby Toy guns. Well, at first I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a Nerf gun. I didn't read the label. Came in a box. I didn't know. Also, these things are terrible. Do not even think about trying to get one of these because they suck. They're not good. They are horrible for the environment. I'm saying this. Oh, where's my book? Stop falling! Okay, every time. Ow. My toe! Technical difficulties are happening now. And if you guys say this thing is going to fall and it does fall, I'm going to get really mad. Even though it is way back at the back and not at the edge, and yeah, I am touching it. My toe! My toe! No others need to see this. Okay, I am wrapping up this video now because I do not want to get hit in the toe again. I also don't have another clipped gun. That's another reason why I'm wrapping up this video. What I do, it's just a Busby Toy gun. I just reviewed Busby Toy gun. Now, you can get every kind of toy gun you want. No, stop it. Oh, this little magazine, I'm gonna... Come on, magazine. Flip. Freaking mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Okay. You like that drip? Okay. I'm done. I'm not going to get anything falling on my toe, and now it's all the magazine fake guns I have. Oh, and also, don't even ask me to take another magazine fake gun and use this, because it works. That one does. Wait a minute, where'd my bullet go? Okay, it's going to take me like an hour to find a bullet that I already shot off. So... I'm not saying this video is going to be 14 minutes, 52, no, an hour, 14 minutes and 58 seconds. Yeah, that's said that's a lot of minutes and seconds and hour. Now will be 15 and 11. An hour, 15 and 15 seconds. I am done with this video because I don't have any more magazine guns. So I'm going to put this and the thing over there back up. And I will turn you around after that and let you see this thing that is this way. So, well, should I let you guys see it or not? I am, just to be nice. Even though I am nice. I gotta put this. Why does it keep shading over all the time? It's still shading over. Oh my God. It almost fell back. So while it's shading over and I come back and it doesn't shade over, I gotta do that, like that. Yeah, that's gonna have to stay like it is right now. I'm gonna take this boy off the wall. I'm gonna come back over here. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it back up where it was. And I hope I get a reference of what I did. Ah, yes. Now I need to take this huge gun. This bad thing that looks like an animal. And I'm going to put it. Nope, it doesn't go like that. Yeah. Okay, so while I'm doing this, you can take a look at my beautiful vest. This thing is so hard to get back on the rack. Whew. Finally, did that. And now I've got to go this way. So I need you guys to come this way and help me find the board. Oh, there. Make that even. Telling the secret to where you get the best guns. I told you not to. Still watching. Still watching. Still watching. Still watching. Okay, now I can put my nice bullet in my. Okay, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Now I'm going to turn you around to the fabulous thing that everyone and every YouTuber who loves Nerf will love to see. So I'm going to just skip to this part. And how about I just put you guys on? Nah, that will make it. So that's that part, and it comes that way. There's castle. Okay. So here you can see across into the end. That's a little too fast. Now, I want to go over that this is more than one gun. If you watched a previous video that I've made not too long ago, it shows all of these. And this, we've got this one, which is the second one. We've got 3 skins of these, and then that's our last one. So we've got 3 skins. My favorite one is the military skin. touching. Don't want your biscuit with hand. How many views does this thing have? Yeah, when you have 3. Alright, you guys can hold these. I'm gonna put these here. Those things are. Please don't fall. Like I've had 2 things fall on my toe today, and I'm not willing to have 3 things fall on my toe. Does it go like this? Because the last time I checked it didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna put it how it used to be. Oh, I was doing it the wrong way. Yeah, it goes like that. Now I'm gonna put mine on. And now I'm gonna put mine on. Well, this is not mine. It's just another reskin. Oh! Ow, ha! Taken. Okay, it's time to wrap up this video with blah, 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 and blah. And goodbye. The channel name is Childers Channel. See you. Goodbye. Wrap up this video. Peace. 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 Okay, done.